beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's cook this Egusi Ijebu. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Okay, in my pot I have my washed beef, onion, habanero pepper, seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning powder of choice, and I'll be adding little water to it. So I'll give this a quick stir and I'll allow this to cook till it is tender. So while the meat is cooking, I'll go over to my melon. In my pot I toasted my egusi and now I've transferred it into my blender, and I'll be adding in crayfish. So you can go ahead to add in onion. So I'll add in water and I'm gonna blend this egusi till it is very smooth. This recipe tastes so good. I needed to try it and it's worth trying. Okay, so after blending till it is smooth, I'll transfer this egusi into my boiling pot of meat. So we'll come over to the boiling pot of meat, and that's doing great. I'll transfer the blended melon into my pot. So it's either melon or egusi. So next I'll be adding in my palm oil, and I'll add in my cow skin. You can use any protein of choice, okay? Go ahead to use dry fish, whatever you have, you can add it at this point. So I'll stir everything together and I'll allow this to cook for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, I decided to add vegetable to it. Some people don't really add vegetable, but I decided to add vegetable to it, and it was also okay. So if you don't want to add vegetable to it, at this point your egusi is ready. So I went ahead to add in pumpkin leaf, stir everything together, and that was all. The taste was amazing. I hope you will try this recipe and give me your feedback. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? So my final look was amazing. So this is my final look, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.